Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A line passes through the point 3, 7 and has a slope of 2. Write the equation of the line in point-slope form, then convert it to slope-intercept form. Now let's work through the solution step by step. We start with the point-slope formula. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Our slope m is 2 and our known point is 3, 7, so x sub 1 is 3 and y sub 1 is 7. Plugging in those values, we get y minus 7 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 3. That is the equation written in point-slope form. To get to slope-intercept form, we distribute the 2 across the parentheses. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 is 6, so the right side becomes 2x minus 6. Now add 7 to both sides. On the left, negative 7 and positive 7 cancel, leaving just y. On the right, negative 6 plus 7 equals 1, so y equals 2x plus 1, which is slope-intercept form with slope 2 and y-intercept 1. Here is the graph of y equals 2x plus 1. The line crosses the y-axis at 0, 1, and you can see that the point 3, 7 sits right on the line, confirming our answer. To summarize, the point-slope form is y minus 7 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 3, and the slope-intercept form is y equals 2x plus 1. We can verify by plugging x equals 3 back in. 2 times 3 plus 1 equals 7, which matches our given point. The answer checks out. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.